welcome back to an adventure Caribbean style, and today we are going to do a cooking competition, David and I. If you have not seen our videos before with our cooking competition, we love to cook and compete and see who can cook the best and who food tastes the best. So guys, we're here on this beach here.
Of course, the kids are back playing while mommy and daddy working.
So it's a open flame cooking barbecue chicken on an open flame on the beach here. We're gonna have two different ways of cooking the chicken. I have my way. I'm trying to do it in a bucket. You guys will see. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So come, let's go.
And my way is gonna be over a roasted spit over an open flame. So I already seasoned my chicken with some spicy seasoning and a spicy wing buffalo sauce. So we'll see how that goes. And the kids, of course, will check it out and they'll determine who the winner is once again. All right, so I'll get the fire going. We'll start with the first fire, then we'll get the next one after that.
So guys, I am ponging on the stick here to put the chicken over this. Guys, this is my dry rub here, so I am going to rub it in the chicken. So guys, this, I'm resting it down on my stick here for my chicken. It won't touch the sand. Right, perfect, perfect. So guys, oh, this is my chicken. I am going to put my chicken side is like this here, so okay. So guys, now I'm going to put the bucket over this like this here, so, and I'm going to put fire around it and on top of it so the chicken will cook inside it. So guys, I am going to start my fire here, my chicken. Let's see. Let me get the fire to light.
I don't know why I'm helping the enemy.
So these are the chicken in competition here. This one here is David one, and this one there in the bucket there underneath there is mine. Check it out, guys. My chicken is underneath here. And that's David. They're trying to, I don't know what you're trying to do. Make the chicken cook faster, maybe. Who knows? What are you trying to do there?
Well, I feel that the chicken, because all the wind's blowing this way, the chicken would be better if it would be downwind. So I'm trying to make it go downwind.
Put some sticks on that fire.
Where do you want to stick? You sticks and start catching. I would say they're catching. So guys, check out my secret sauce.
But yeah, make it.
So,
Nice cheating.
how's that cheap? That's my secret sauce. Buffalo wings.
Yeah. There's my bucket here with the fire here. It's game on, guys.
Guys, check out my chicken. Oh God, it's looking beautiful. Hope it doesn't fall in the fire though. But look at that color. Look at that nice. Oh God, it's looking beautiful.
I'm gonna check the chicken.
So how long's it been on for roughly?
40 minutes, I think.
About 40 minutes. So we're gonna check it. So there's mine. And here's Mummy's. So she's gonna scrape the fire away. Hopefully not get all sand on the chicken. Real cold though, eh? That's a real good sign. Ariane already asked, when's lunch? Kind of planned it. You're welcome, Mommy. Even though you're my enemy right now, you're welcome. I don't want you to be burned. All right, let's check it out. Oh, look at it, look at it. It's real cook. It's real cook over here, Mommy. Good. Well, there's some crispiness. The skin's very crispy, but it ain't burned. It look real nice. We'll leave it out of it. Dave, you're the chef. I don't know.
Daddy, you know your chicken look like it's hanging on for life.
Yeah, well. It's not about what it looks like, son. It's about what it's gonna taste like. Does it look like it's gonna taste good? It don't?
No.
I feel it's gonna. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
It's very good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Better than mine, you think?
Yeah, but definitely.
You think Mommy's gonna win this competition?
She have a chance.
Yeah. What's good about it? What's it taste like? It's seasoned good?
Yeah.
You know it's cooked in a bucket, right? It's cool, eh?
Yeah.
All right. You're gonna try my chicken now, right? See if my chicken's better? Yes, you are.
So guys, this is mommy chicken that she made, and it is really good. I hope she can make this all the time.
You know that was a chicken in a bucket, eh? You saw that,
I
right?
know.
Right. And you know there's a competition. You're actually gonna compare my chicken, the rotisserie chicken, to Mommy's bucket chicken, eh? Which one do you
Okay.
think is gonna be better? You think Mommy's is gonna be good? Better than mine?
Probably you not the barbecue, mommy could really do not the barbecue. So like,
Oh,
you would never know.
The bucket chicken tastes kind of dry.
really?
Yeah. Still tastes good though.
But it's good? Right, you know it's a competition, right? My chicken
Yeah.
against Mommy's chicken. And you're saying Mommy's chicken's dry?
Yeah.
Haha, I got a chance to win. But it's good?
Yeah.
All right, let's try the Mommy. Now let's try my chicken.
This is Daddy's chicken here.
So guys, this is daddy chicken. Daddy chicken actually is kind of better.
Hot?
Yes, very
But how's it tasting?
good.
Very good.
Very good? Yeah, but you know you have to choose a winner, eh?
Yeah. You know.
Oh, it's like vultures.
No, that's mine.
Harry, you try yet?
Try it.
Try a piece. Look at that nice piece
Yeah, no.
there. Ah, Darius burned his hand. You burn your hand, boy?
Yeah.
Oh, well, be careful.
Pull it out.
Whose did you like better?
Daddy. Can't decide.
You can't decide? Darius, I mean, sorry. Who do you like better?
Daddy.
Daddy's?
I have the rest.
Which one?
No, put it back.
Dylan? Who's winning this competition?
Mommy.
Mommy?
Then give
Alagai.
mommy one.
Come here. So we have a can't decide, a daddy, a mommy. Alagai. Alagai, you're the deciding vote. Whose chicken won?
Mommy.
Mommy's chicken?
Mommy want to have more seasoning.
Yeah, mommy, one
Flavor.
might have more seasoning, but it's so dry.
So Mommy's chicken won.
I did. Who vote you?
Darius voted me. Dylan voted Mommy. Ariana said I can't decide.
Daddy,
So
actually,
it was
I
a tie. 2 votes for Mommy and 1 vote for Daddy. All right.
What are you doing?
Well, we had fun.